Hey everyone, today we're going to change oil on my 2020 V7 stove. It has a 750cc engine. We're going to use 10W60 good quality liquid molding oil. We have MOTO GUZZI filter, 17mm and 13mm sockets, ratchets, some gloves, oil pan, and some rags. That's all we need for the oil change. So first of all, we're gonna find the filter housing and the drain plug right over here. This is 17mm and this is the 13. Then we're gonna prepare for the oil to flow into the oil pan, and then make sure you put on some gloves. Alright, we're gonna break this bolt loose and then make sure you catch the nut so it doesn't fall into the oil pan. Oh, it's really tight. Oh, there we go. So while the oil is draining, we're gonna break the filter housing loose. Because it's kind of tucked in, we have to use an extension for this nut. Alright, so the filter, we just pulled it out from the engine this way, and then this is the filter 13mm nut, and it comes off like this, two parts. Alright, let's unbox the filter. So looks like the filter comes out like this. Brand new one. Same thing, just stick it back in here. It's kind of tight now, yeah. And then make sure the O-ring is nice and rounded. Make sure it's in good condition. Alright, let's put this back in. The teeth forward. Use our handy dandy extension. Just gotta make sure the filter housing seats to the engine properly. And then we can tighten the nut. We just gotta wipe off this nut, but there is no large metal chunks. We're ready to put this back into the socket. I got this channel lock plier, a rag, and this huge transmission funnel because the angle is kind of tucked in below the engine. And then make sure we don't scratch any part of the engine or the cap. We go lefty loosey, so we're gonna turn it counterclockwise. Like that. Alright, so when you look at this oil can, it's got a graph showing that there is a straw come with the bottle, but we're gonna take out the straw. Now after we put 2 quarts of oil in there, we can put the cap back in. Alright guys, now we're gonna start the motorcycle. Just so the oil can run through the engine, then we can check the oil level. Now we just gotta unscrew the cap and then check the oil level. Wipe the dipstick clean first, then dip it back. Looks like it's full. We can screw it back in. So it looks like this bike take 2 quarts of oil. We have extra bottle left. And then that's all. Thanks for watching.